to talk about the topic science in PIA. And I'm going to do the result. Let's go. Do you know what is science? Yes? Okay. I can explain.
Well, science is defined as an organized way of gathering and analyzing evidence about the natural world. Science is a process, it's not a thing. The word science also refers to the body of knowledge that scientific studies have gathered over the years. One goal of science is to provide natural explanations for events in the natural world. Science also aims to use those explanations to understand patterns in nature.
Do you know what is the scientific methodology? No? Well, I'm going to explain to you.
The next question is, what is the scientific methodology? The scientific methodology is a general style of investigation that involves observing and asking questions, making inferences and forming hypotheses, conducting controlled experiments, and collecting, analyzing data, and drawing conclusions.
And do you know what are the scientific attitudes? Well, I'm going to explain to you.
The next question was, what are scientific attitudes? Which scientists share scientific attitudes or habits of mind that lead them to exploration and discovery. These attitudes is named like curiosity, skepticism, open-mindedness, and creativity. These attitudes help scientists to generate new ideas.
Do you know what are the theories? Okay, please. No? Okay, I'm going to explain it.
Well, the next question was, what is a theory? In science, the word theory applies to a well-tested explanation that unifies a broad range of observation and hypotheses and that enables scientists to make accurate predictions about the new situation.
Emma, do you know what is a peer review? Okay, yeah. I'm going to explain it.
The next question was, what is a peer review? Peer review has the function to share ideas and test and evaluate each other's work.
Do you know what are the chapters of peer
Living things are made of basic units called cells. Our basic universal code obtain and use materials, energy, grow and develop, reproduce, respond to the environment, maintain a stable internal environment, and change over time. These are called characteristics of living things. The last question was, what is biology? Biology is the study of life. But what is life? What distinguishes living things from non-living matter? Succinctly, it isn't as simple as you might think to describe what makes something alive.
Well, thank you for this survey. Thanks for watching the video.